Next question, student. Question number 22. Which of the following does not illustrate the anomalous property of lithium? Here, C option is does not illustrate the anomalous property, student. See, they are given lithium much softer than other group 1 elements, but actually lithium is hard in nature, whereas rest of alkali metals are soft in nature. But they are given lithium is softer than the rest of elements. The correct statement is harder. Therefore, C is the correct option, student. Next, 23, student. Beryllium shows diagonal relationship with aluminium. Which of the following similarity is incorrect? Which of the following similarity is incorrect? First option, beryllium carbide like aluminum carbide yields methane on hydrolysis. That is correct, student. Both beryllium and aluminum carbide upon hydrolysis gives methane. Beryllium like aluminum is rendered passive by nitric acid. Beryllium passive with nitric acid, that is both beryllium and aluminum does not react with nitric acid due to formation of thin protective oxide layer. We are discussing. C option, beryllium hydroxide like aluminum hydroxide is basic, but beryllium hydroxide is amphoteric in nature, aluminum hydroxide is basic in nature, because the beryllium hydroxide react with both acids as well as bases. Here it is amphoteric hydroxide, amphoteric in nature, but it is basic in nature. Beryllium forms berylates, aluminum forms aluminate. That is also correct statement. Only it is the wrong statement, student. 24. When beryllium carbide upon hydrolysis, it can form beryllium hydroxide plus methane. When beryllium hydroxide react with HCl in the presence of water, it can form tetrahydroxyberylate dichlorate. Here, this is the product A they are asking, student, and this is the product B they are asking. A is beryllium dihydroxide, B is tetrahydroxyberylate dichloride. Next, 25th question, student. Which of the following has correct increasing basic strength? We know that in the written portion already we are discussing the basic strength of oxides of alkali metal increases from beryllium oxide to the barium oxide. 25th is completed, student. 26th, the decreasing order of second ionization potential of potassium, calcium and barium. We know the student, the first ionization potential for alkali metals more than that of alkaline earth metals more than that of alkali metals, whereas the second ionization potential for alkali metals more than that of alkaline earth metals. Here second ionization potential they are asking, student, therefore alkali metals more than that of alkaline earth metals. In between the alkaline earth metals, down the group ionization enthalpy decreases. Therefore, calcium is having more ionization enthalpy than barium. Hence, the ionization enthalpy order is potassium greater than calcium greater than barium. It is the hint, student. The first ionization enthalpy of alkaline earth metals more than that of alkali metal. The second ionization enthalpy of alkali metal more than that of alkaline earth metal. Therefore, potassium is alkali metal. The second ionization enthalpy is the highest than that of alkaline earth metals. Among the alkaline earth metals, down the group ionization enthalpy decreases. Calcium is coming first, highest ionization enthalpy. Barium is coming next, it is having very lowest ionization enthalpy. Next, 27, student. An X compound reacts with carbon and chlorine to form Y plus carbon monoxide. The Y reacts with water molecule to form Z plus HCl. Here beryllium oxide I am written, student, but they are not given in the question, student. X plus carbon plus Cl2 gives Y plus CO. Y plus 2H2O gives Z plus 2HCl. What are X, Y, Z? X is beryllium oxide, Y is beryllium dichloride, and Z is beryllium dihydroxide. All reactions are direct reaction, student, are there in the NCERT textbook. Once again, refer student NCERT textbook, you will get the answers. Next student, question number 28. The solubility of sulfates in water down the group 2. The solubility of sulfates in water down the group. What happens, students? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Down the group decreases because down the group hydration energy decreases. We know, the student, the solubility of the sulfates directly proportional to the hydration energy. Hydration energy is one of the factor to determine the solubility. Hydration energy increases, solubility increases. Hydration energy decreases, solubility decreases. We know that in a group from top to bottom or from beryllium to barium, the hydration energy decreases. Hydration energy decreases means the solubility will be increases. Hence the solubility order is beryllium sulfate is more than that of magnesium sulfate, more than that of calcium, strontium and barium sulfate. The sulfates solubility order will be decreases from beryllium to the barium because the hydration energy will be decreases. Hydration energy will be decreases. Copy this, student. Next question, student, question number 29. In the given reactions, identify X, Y, Z. Here X given, student, here Y is given, here Z is given. Beryllium carbide upon hydrolysis gives beryllium oxide plus methane. Calcium carbide upon hydrolysis gives calcium hydroxide plus ethine. Magnesium carbide upon hydrolysis gives magnesium hydroxide plus propyne. It can obey the formula of CnH2n plus 2 since 1 carbon methane. It can obey the formula CnH2n minus 2 since 2 carbons ethine. It can obey the formula CnH2n minus 2 with 3 carbons propyne. With 3 carbons propyne. Therefore, methane, ethine and propyne are the X, Y, Z in the given question. Once again, student, beryllium carbide upon hydrolysis to form beryllium oxide and methane. Calcium carbide upon hydrolysis gives calcium hydroxide and ethine, contains 2 carbons. And magnesium carbide upon hydrolysis gives magnesium hydroxide plus propyne. Magnesium hydroxide plus propyne. Clear, students? Therefore, the correct answer is for the 29 question. A is the correct answer. A will be the correct answer. Question number 30. Which of the following are arranged incorrect increasing order of solubility? Increasing order of the solubility. Here calcium carbonate less than sodium bicarbonate less than potassium bicarbonate. But the correct order is, student, the solubility of the bicarbonates increases from lithium carbonate to the cesium bicarbonate. Lithium bicarbonate less than sodium bicarbonate less than potassium bicarbonate less than rubidium carbonate less than cesium bicarbonate. The solubility increases from lithium to the cesium. Sodium bicarbonate is having less solubility than potassium bicarbonate. Therefore, student, which of the following order is incorrect? Increasing order of the solubility. Therefore, D is the correct option, student. D is the correct option. CaCO3 less than sodium bicarbonate less than potassium bicarbonate. Clear, students? The carbonates are less soluble than bicarbonates. In the bicarbonates, the solubility order will be like this. Therefore, it is the correct order of solubility of carbonates as well as bicarbonates. Next, question number 31, student. What is X in the following reaction? Magnesium chloride plus water gives X plus 2HCl plus water, X plus 2HCl plus water. Here the product formed is like this, student. Magnesium chloride react with water, it can form 2HCl plus magnesium hydroxide, 2HCl plus magnesium hydroxide, which if further heated it can form magnesium oxide plus water, magnesium oxide plus water. Here magnesium oxide is formed, student, this is the product. Water is formed, it is a product. HCl is formed, it is a product. Here directly the three products are is given, student. Then the question is very simple only. Here we are expecting these products, that is magnesium react with the hydroxy, magnesium hydroxide, the hydrogen react with the chlorine, magnesium hydrochloric acid. But here we have to understand one step. The magnesium hydroxide will be highly unstable, easily decomposes to form magnesium oxide plus a water molecule, magnesium oxide plus a water molecule. Therefore question number 31, the correct answer is magnesium oxide. A is the correct answer, student. Here the X they are not given, this product X is given, that X will be magnesium oxide. Question number 32, students. Which of the following is the correct order of solubility in water? Correct order of solubility in water. Magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. The solubility will be decreases. The solubility will be decreases from magnesium to the barium, because the reason is the hydration energy decreases. Magnesium is having more hydration energy, more solubility. Barium is having less hydration energy, less solubility. In the previous question also, this model we are discussing, student, the solubility is directly proportional to the hydration energy. Down the group hydration energy decreases, hence down the group solubility is also decreases. Solubility is also decreases. Next question, student. Question number 33. Question number 33. Magnesium chloride hexahydrate on heating does not give anhydrous magnesium chloride, because here magnesium chloride hexahydrate is heated, we are expecting anhydrous magnesium chloride plus water molecule, but this reaction does not take place, because the reason is magnesium chloride hydrolysis in water, it can form magnesium dichloride plus water molecule. Immediately it can catches the water molecule, it can catches the water molecule to form magnesium dichloride dihydrate, which is upon heated to form magnesium oxychloride, which is a heated red hot condition, it can form magnesium oxide plus chlorine. When magnesium chloride hexahydrate is heated, the final product is magnesium oxide, but not magnesium chloride. Whereas remaining hydrated salts, what happens? The water molecule will be losses. Dehydration will be takes place, like Na2CO3 10H2O, the loss of water molecule. Heating of gypsum, it can form a plaster of Paris. But here in the case of magnesium, loss of water molecule does not take place, anhydrous MgCl2 does not form. Magnesium oxide can be formed. Remember this product, student, magnesium oxide is formed. Sometimes they will ask, if it is not there, magnesium oxychloride is correct. Magnesium oxychloride will be correct. Question number 34, student. The decomposition temperature of barium carbonate, magnesium carbonate and calcium carbonate. We know that the thermal stability will be increases. Beryllium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate more stable than strontium carbonate, more stable than barium carbonate. It is more stable, more thermal stable means more temperature is required for decomposition. Less thermal stable means less temperature is required to break that carbonate. Here it is more stable, hence more decomposition temperature. Next one is calcium carbonate, next one is magnesium carbonate. Therefore the order will be like this. Barium carbonate is having more decomposition temperature than calcium, which is more than magnesium carbonate. Hence the correct order will be A greater than C greater than B. Question number 35, student. For good quality cement, the ratio of silica to alumina should be between. For good quality cement, it is direct question, student. Silica and alumina will be 2.5 to 4. We are discussing in cement manufacturing. Question number 36. In the hardening stage of plaster of Paris, the component formed is. monoclinic calcium sulfate dihydrate. Monoclinic calcium sulfate dihydrate is formed during hardening of plaster of Paris. During hardening of plaster of Paris. Copy this, student. Okay, last question explanation once again, student. We know that when plaster of Paris is added with sufficient quantity of water to form gypsum, that gypsum is known as orthorhombic gypsum. Orthorhombic gypsum further added with water to form monoclinic gypsum. Monoclinic gypsum. Therefore, during hardening stage of plaster of Paris, the plaster of Paris can be converted into monoclinic gypsum. Monoclinic gypsum. In board point of view, it is not there, student. Directly when plaster of Paris mixed with water to form gypsum. But here direct gypsums are of two types, orthorhombic and monoclinic gypsum. Our required gypsum is monoclinic gypsum. Directly monoclinic gypsum is not formed. First orthorhombic gypsum, further it can be converted into monoclinic gypsum. Okay, student. Next one, question number 37. The correct statement among the following. First one, student. Gypsum contains lower percentage of calcium than plaster of Paris. Here gypsum contains lowest percentage of calcium than plaster of Paris. That is the correct statement, student. Second one. Gypsum is obtained by heating plaster of Paris. But gypsum is obtained by heating plaster of Paris. But the correct statement is plaster of Paris obtained by heating gypsum. Calcium sulfate dihydrate, which is upon heated, it can form calcium sulfate hemihydrate, which is known as plaster of Paris. Which is known as plaster of Paris, student. Here this statement is correct. Second statement is wrong. Next, third statement also can observe, student. Plaster of Paris can be obtained by hydration of gypsum. Hydration of gypsum, plaster of Paris is not obtained, student. Plaster of Paris can be obtained by the hydration of gypsum. But dehydration of gypsum can give the plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris obtained by partial oxidation of gypsum. That is also not correct, student. Only gypsum upon heated, it can form plaster of Paris. That is only the correct statement. Therefore, the correct and accurate statement is gypsum contains lowest percentage of calcium than plaster of Paris. Very, very important statement, student. Question number 38. A chemical formulae A, B, C identify in the given reaction sequence. A react with sodium carbonate to form B plus C. A further react with carbon dioxide to form C. What are the A, B, C in the given reaction sequence? Here A is calcium hydroxide, student. A is calcium hydroxide. Because one hint is given, A react with the carbon dioxide to form milky white precipitate C. Milky white precipitate C. Here the milky white precipitate is formed by passing carbon dioxide with the lime water only, that is calcium hydroxide only. Therefore A is calcium hydroxide. The calcium hydroxide react with the sodium carbonate, it can form sodium hydroxide plus calcium carbonate. Sodium hydroxide plus calcium carbonate. In the chemical properties we are discussing, student, once again verify. Calcium hydroxide plus sodium carbonate gives the sodium react with hydroxide to form sodium hydroxide. The calcium react with carbonate to form calcium carbonate. Therefore, A is calcium hydroxide, B is sodium hydroxide, C is calcium carbonate. Question number 39. Calcium cyanamide react with steam to form ammonia and calcium carbonate. Calcium cyanamide, CaNCN, react with water or hydrolysis, it can form limestone plus ammonia. This reaction can be used for the preparation of limestone as well as ammonia. Calcium cyanamide upon hydrolysis gives calcium carbonate and ammonia. Question number 40, students. Match the following. It is direct question, student. Sorrel cement MgCl2, anhydrone, nothing but magnesium oxide dot XH2O. Hydrolith, calcium hydride is known as hydrolith. Chili saltpeter known as NaNO3. Indian saltpeter is KNO3. Remember the last one, student, it is not there in the options. Chili saltpeter means NaNO3. Sodium nitrate are also known as chili saltpeter. Chili saltpeter. Okay, students, right. Therefore, 40. Match the following is completed. Copy this, student. Okay, next 41 question, student. Which of the following pair of species used as antacids in medicine? Sodium bicarbonate and magnesium hydroxide used as antacid in medicine. Which of the following element is having lowest melting point in group 2 elements? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Their corresponding melting points are 1560, 924, 1124, 1062, 1002 and 973. Which is lowest, students? Magnesium is having 924 Kelvin is the melting point. If you arrange decreasing order of melting point, magnesium is coming at the last. Hence it is having lowest melting point among group 2 elements. We never expect, but according to experimental results it is having lowest melting point. Next question, student. Match the following: quicklime, calcium oxide; slaked lime, calcium hydroxide; bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride; plaster of Paris, calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Next question, student. When slaked lime react with chlorine to form a product, what are the oxidation number of chlorine in the product? They are asking. When calcium hydroxide react with chlorine, it can form bleaching powder, which is known as calcium chlorohypochlorite, CaOCl2. Here chlorine is oxidation number is -1, oxygen is always -2. If you take this is +1, -2 +1, this valence is -1 charge, this valence is -1 charge, -1 -1 -2, hence calcium is having +2, then charge will be compensated. The total positive charge is +2, the total negative charge is -2 +1 -1 -1 -1 -2, hence the charge will be compensated. The charge will be compensated. Therefore, the oxidation number of chlorines are -1 and +1 in the given reaction. Next question, student. Gypsum on heating at 120 degrees centigrade form a compound. What is the mass of water of crystallization in the compound obtained? Here, calcium sulfate dihydrate. Gypsum formula, another formation is like this, already we are discussing. CaSO4 token twice, 4H2O, heated at a temperature 120 degrees centigrade or 373 Kelvin, it can form calcium sulfate dimer H2O plus 3H2O. Here it can be also written as 2CaSO4H2O. The obtained compound contains how many water molecules? What is the mass of water molecules retained? One water molecule. That is nothing but 18 grams. That is nothing but 18 grams. What is the mass of water of crystallization in that compound? Gypsum is heated, one compound is obtained. What is the mass of water of crystallization in that compound? In that compound is one water molecule. One water molecule is 18 grams. 18 grams. Next question, student. Average composition of metal oxides in Portland cement in the decreasing order. These are the constituents used in the manufacture of Portland cement. The decreasing order they are asking, student: calcium oxide, silicon dioxide, aluminum oxide, magnesium oxide and iron oxide. Copy this, student. Okay, next continuation, student. Question number 47. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through slaked lime, a milky white product is formed. What is the milky white? Calcium carbonate is known as milky white. Next question, student. Correct statement from the following. Correct statement from the following. Gypsum decreases rate of setting of cement, but gypsum increases rate of setting of cement, student. The order of percentage of ingredients in the Portland cement is dicalcium silicate 51%, tricalcium silicate 26%, tricalcium aluminate 11%. It is the correct order, student. We are discussing, it is very important also at that time. Setting of cement is dehydration. third setting, but setting of cement is hydration. The raw materials for the manufacture of cement are clay and graphite. Clay and sand are the raw materials. Therefore, it is the correct statement, student. It is the correct statement. Next one. The main pigment for the absorption of light in the plants in chlorophyll, which contains magnesium, student. In the photosynthesis, chlorophyll can play an important role. The role of chlorophyll is due to presence of the magnesium plus 2. Magnesium ion present in the form of plus 2. Next question, student. Which of the following is not a biological function of calcium? Interstitial fluidity control. Interstitial fluidity control is not the biological function of calcium, student. Remaining three are biological function: neuromuscular function, interneuronal transmission, blood coagulation. Calcium can be used in blood coagulation also. Next question, student. Which of the following metal is required as a cofactor by all the enzymes that utilizes ATP in phosphate transfer? We know that calcium can be used in phosphate transfer mechanism. Calcium can be used in phosphate transfer mechanism. It is theory question, student. Already we are discussing. Last question. What is the purpose of adding gypsum to cement? Gypsum increases the setting time of cement. In the presence of gypsum, the setting time for the cement will be increases. If the setting time decreases, what happens? If the setting time decreases, immediately it can get into hard solid. Then that is not a useful process. Hence, it is clear that gypsum increases setting time of cement. Increases setting time of cement. Okay, students. With this 52 question, objective questions are completed. This chapter is completed. Once again, retained portion already completed, students, and collected the videos and collect the videos, and the deleted portion I am completing already. Collect both the videos and watch the videos one time and get comment on the subject first. After that, what are the 52 objective questions I am discussing? These questions also you can watch 1 or 2 times. In competitive point of view, you will get one idea. By using this knowledge, I am given some homework questions, nearly 45 to 50 questions with the key answers. You can try to solve all these homework questions. After 1 week, in the same assignment description link, I will kept the hints and solutions also. After that, you will check the hints and solutions for homework questions. With this, the chapter is completed, student. While watching the videos, you can refer the NCERT textbook also, line to line. Especially S block elements is a memory based chapter and theory based chapter. Line to line, you can mark the lines and any important points you can note down in a separate book. Then this chapter is completed, students. Already we are discussing NEET 2 questions are there, KSET 1 question is there, and JEE 1 or 2 questions they are given. For NEET, more importance is there, student. 2 questions, 8 marks they are given. KSET first piece less importance, only 1 question is given. JEE also 30 questions based on the total syllabus. That's why they are given. Some years they are giving questions, some years they are not giving questions. But NEET compulsory 2 questions, students. More concentrate and more practice these S block elements. Okay, students, right? All the best. Prepare this chapter very well.